Hi, welcome to this tutorial for database in Java. I have created this program that connects to a database and retrieves all products from a product table. So let's just open pgadmin and have a look at our database and how it looks, and we will also see how the products are stored in the database, and then we will just have a quick overview over what we want to achieve with this program. So pgadmin is a management tool for PostgreSQL, but you can use any SQL you want. Example, MariaDB or MySQL are very popular databases. Okay, so click on servers on pgadmin, PostgreSQL databases, Coffee Corner, which is my database, and schemas, and public, and tables, and products, and right click on it and select the view all rows. So I have a product table with product ID column, product name column, and product price column, and the product ID is an serial number series which automatically increases for each product, and I have product name and the price for each product. So the product ID is an long or integer, and the product name is varchar, and the price is real or double. So let's just minimize this one and look at our main. So I have a package here called deo, which hold the database classes, and I have a domain which hold the product. So this is our main, and in our main we first create a new Coffee Corner database implementation, and with the Coffee Corner database implementation we do the connect. And if we just go to the Coffee Corner database implementation, you see that it extends the DB adapter, and the DB adapter holds the string for the connection, it holds the username and the password for the database, and it has the connect, which just connects to the database, and it has to disconnect, which closes all the statements to the database and the connection itself. So Coffee Corner database implementation extends this DB adapter. The first thing in our main class that we call is the create tables, and the create tables just creates the product table with the product ID, name and price. Then we run the setup, and the setup just checks if there are 0 rows in our product. If there are 0 rows, it will insert products into the table. Then I have the insert here, which can take any text and any price and insert it to the table. And the method is very easy. It's just insert into products, product name, product price, and the values. Then I have a list here, which lists all the products, and it's a list of a product. And let's look at the product. And product is our domain. There's a long product ID, product name and product price. It has a constructor, and it has getters and setters. So in our main we have a list of product which retrieves from Coffee Corner database select all products, and it just selects the product ID, name and price from products and order them by product ID, and puts them into a list of products and returns them to the main. I have update product, where I can update either the name and price, or only the name, or only the price. And I give the product ID as the key number so that the SQL knows which product it should update. Example, here is the update product name. So set the product name to whatever comes in, where the product ID equals whatever comes in. Here is the product price update. So set the product price to whatever comes in, where the product ID is the product ID. Okay, we also have delete product, and we just send in the product ID. And it's very easy, it's just delete from products where product ID equals the product ID. Okay, now let's make the cool things. We want to give the user a menu. So let's just look at my Java school. netboard.com/en/java, and we have a menu here. And to give a menu to the user, we need a scanner, and the scanner is just something that reads input from the keyboard, and we can print a menu here, and we can ask the user for his choice and read it to an integer. And in our main, we can then say that if the menu is 1, do this, if the menu is 2, do this, if the menu is 3, do this. So let's just create this menu. So we have a scanner equals new scanner, and the scanner is system in. Okay, we print the menu, system out println menu. So the first step I think it should be print the list. So selection number 1, print a list, print all products. Selection number 2 should be new product. Number 3 should be update product, or update price, or, update product. Let's just have update product. Number 4, delete product. So let's read the menu. System out print menu choice, and then use the scanner. We create an int menu equals scanner next int. So this gets the menu item from the user, and we say that if menu equals 1, then we'll print the all products. So just do like this. Okay. If the menu is 2, then we create a new product. Else if menu equals 2, system out println new product. Okay, else if number 3 we have update product. System out print ln update product. And number 4 is delete product. Menu equals 4. System out print ln delete product. Okay, so if we just remove this, if we run the program now, it had two parentheses end. We get a menu, and then we can press 1, and it will say print all products. So, and then it actually closes the program, and we don't want the program to close, so we'll just create a while loop here. So let's create a variable stop program, int stop program equals 0, and if while stop program is less than 1, then we'll run this loop. Stop program. So then we'll write else here. So if the user chooses something else than these options, we will stop the program. So we'll just say stop program equals 1, and we write a message to the user that we have stopped the program. Stop program. And we can write up here also that this is the options for stopping the program. Like this. Okay, so let's try to run it now. So menu choice, if we tick 1, it will print our products, and then we will display the menu again. Very good, very good. So let's create a method for print all products. Public static void print products. And we have it on our clipboard. Just save this for later. And we need to send in the coffee corner DB. Coffee corner DB like this. Okay, so if we are here on print all products, we just call the method print all products, and send in the coffee corner DB, and it will go down here and print all products. So let's call it print all products. Let's try to run this code now. Welcome to Coffee Corner, your menu, number 1, and it prints all products and then gives the menu again. So let's move the menu up here, because I don't want the menu to be printed unless we want to print the menu. So let's move menu up here, and menu equals 0. And we'll say that if menu equals 0, then we'll give this menu, and we'll move the scanner also up before the loop. So now we will only get the menu one time. Okay, so we have the choice, print all products. Oh, and it's actually stuck in the loop. so just try to stop it. And I think it's because it should be else here, else if. Try it again. Still caught in the loop. If the menu is 0, yeah, because we need to pause the program here. Or we can call for the scanner here. So let's just move the scanner down here. So if stop program is not 1, then we can call for the menu again. Let's just try this. Let's see if we get stuck in the loop still. Menu choice 1, print all products. And then we can go for 2, which is new product. We can write 1 and we get print all products. 3, update product. And if we choose 0, we will get a menu. So we can add this also as a menu option. So 0 is print menu. Okay, so now we have a really cool program, and we can stop it by writing another number, example 5, and the program is stopped. So we have print all products. We can create a new product, just create a method for it. Public static void new product. And get Coffee Corner database implementation into it. We'll make a scanner that wants to have the product name and the product price. So scanner is very easy. Scanner, new scanner, system in. And we'll just ask for the name first. So let's create a string. String name equals, and the scanner is next line, and we need to write to the user that he has to print, give us the name of the new product. System out print name of product. Please enter the name of product, and then we'll use the same for the price. System out print, please give the price of the product. So I just have /n here for line break. So it's the price is the double, and scanner next double, and then we'll just insert it to the database with Coffee Corner database dot insert product and name and then price. So let's run this program, and we can write to the user the product has been inserted, but I think it's already here. Yeah. So let's run the program. Oh, of course we need to actually use the method new product. We can't just implement it without using it. So here, new product, let's call new product Coffee Corner DB Okay, run it again. So we have one to print all products, and we have print menu again, and then we can choose number 2 to insert a new product, the name of the product. So I will think of a cool coffee name, and we have a cool coffee called Viking in Norway, and the Viking is one Americano with one espresso in it. So the price of Viking should be very cheap. Let's say that's 0.60. Oh, we have an input mismatch exception. And the reason why we have a input mismatch exception is because I'm on Norwegian keyboard. So let's just make sure that the scanner understands it is on American keyboard. So let's use the use local and use the US keyboard. Let's try again. New product number 2, the name is Viking, price 0.60, inserted product with the price 0.6. So let's print our products, and we have actually a new product now named Viking. Very nice. So now we can insert products. Let's view the menu again. The next one is number 3, update product. So let's just make a public void update product with the coffee corner implementation. So let's make this easy for the user. Let's say that we first print all the products, then ask the user to enter the number that he wants to change. So to print all products, we just call print all products. First print all products, then ask what product ID do you want to change. So system out print and print what product ID do you want to change, or enter product ID that you want to change. And here also just make a scanner and read the next integer. So int product ID equals scanner next int. Okay, so now we can get the product ID, and then we will ask for the new name. New name, system out print new name, and then we'll say that to keep the existing name, just hit enter. Okay, so the new name is of course string name, scanner next line, scanner next line, and then we can ask for a new price. System out print new price, and we'll say the same to keep existing price, hit enter. No, to keep the existing price, write minus 0.1. So string now double price equals scanner next double, and then we'll just hit the update coffee corner db dot update product, and we have the product ID, we have the product name, and we have the price. Okay, let's run this product now. Oh, I forgot to close this one. Okay, print all products number 2. So the Viking, we want to change the price of it, so we'll go for menu item number 3, update product. Oh, we have to of course call the method update product and send in coffee corner database, and it has to be a static public static void. Okay, let's just put some line breaks here, so it's a bit easier to read. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so the menu, we want to first print all the products, then update one product. So these are the products. Should really have line breaks here also. Okay, so what we want to do now is to update the price of Viking. So number 2. No, I'm sorry. Let's just stop the program and run it again. And a typo here, of course. So print all products number 1, and we want to update one product, so it's menu item number 3. Product ID you want to change is number 8, the Viking. Okay, so we need to do the scanner dot next int here to a workaround. So let's try it again. So we are number 3, update product, and we want to update product number 8. So this should be next line. Let's try it again. We are number 3, update product, update number 7. New name, yeah, so number 7 is almond cappuccino, so let's just keep that name. Now let's change it to almond big cappuccino, and let's keep the price minus 1.0, and let's print the list of products, and now we see that the almond is called almond big cappuccino with a typo and everything. Very good. The menu, the next thing we need to do is just delete a product, so let's create a public static void delete product. Delete product, coffee corner implementation, coffee corner db, and first print all the products the same as we have up here, then ask for the product ID, enter product ID you want to delete, and then just delete it. Coffee gonna be dot delete product ID. Okay, let's run the program. Welcome, print all products is number 1. Okay, so we want to delete almond big cappuccino because it's a typo, so we just want to delete it. So the delete is number 4. And of course we need to call the method in our menu here. So let's run it again. Number 4, delete product, and we want to delete number 7, ID number 7, deleting product number 7. So if we print all products again, which is menu choice number 1, we see that the almond big cappuccino is now deleted. So we have a really cool program that can do a lot of things now. If we print a menu, we can print all products, create a new product, update product, and delete products from the database. So here is a really good starting point for going to the next level, which is graphical interfaces.